Gonna replace this window, so start with setting up whatever staging you're comfortable with. So we removed the necessary vinyl, but what it did was it exposed some lead that has some cracks in it. And it is going to be fairly expensive for us to replace this lead, but it's also necessary for when there's a failure, it doesn't point back at us. So we'll take off these shingles and we'll get rolling on that. We can see this lead clearly has some vulnerabilities, but not down here. So what I'll do is I'll cut this lead here and overlap it with my other lead, so we don't need to turn the corner and worry about the flashing over there. Now we're going to take all the nails out of the flange. The easiest way is to get behind the flange, pop the nail, push it in, now you get the nail. Set up whatever staging you're comfortable with inside, protect the walls and the floors. This way you can take out the window and do the trim later. Take all the trim off all the way around the window, knife all your joints. Use the Sawzall at the right depth to break your spray foam seal. Add some flashing to the sill and then install your window. Put in your new lead. Tape your window all up nice. Replace all your shingles. And then we'll add some spot silicone to these. We went into the same nail holes, so the other guys were nice enough to offset them so they look like crap. Then we set our J channel and starter strip back into place. Replace the vinyl and give it a wipe down and you're all set. Install your casing and you're good to go.